Ever feel like price is just messing with you? Bouncing up, down, up again, and you can't tell if it's a real move or just noise? That's the problem the moving average fixes. The moving average smooths out price by averaging it over time. So instead of chasing every candle, you see the actual trend. Here's how to trade it simply, using the 50 EMA on the 4-hour or daily chart. Buy setup. Wait for a full candle to close above the 50 EMA. Enter on the next candle and place your stop 20 to 30 pips below the EMA. You can also watch for a golden cross when the 20 EMA crosses above the 50 EMA. That's a bullish signal to go long. Sell setup. It's the mirror image. Wait for a candle to close below the 50 EMA. Enter short and place your stop 25 to 35 pips above it. A death cross where the 20 EMA drops below the 50 EMA confirms bearish momentum. One golden rule. If the EMAs are tangled together with no clear direction, stay out. That choppy zone is where most losses happen. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. The moving average confirms trend. It doesn't predict reversals, so always pair it with a solid stop loss and proper position sizing. That's it. A simple, beginner-friendly way to trade with the trend instead of against it. Want the free MT4 Moving Average Indicator and ready-to-use templates? Head over to forexmt4indicators.com and grab yours today.